In this lesson, we will understand what is trade union, why trade unions exist, and how they operate. If we open the browser and go to search engine and search for the trade unions, and go to the images, so we can find a number of examples. All these are the examples of trade unions. Trade unions are groups of workers who join hands to protect their rights and asserts pressure on the owner or the management to increase their benefits. At the time of Industrial Revolution, especially in UK or other parts of Europe, the employment structure was not well defined. Workers were either paid very low salaries or they were exploited on many grounds. High competition in markets for goods and services forced mill owners and employers to negotiate with large groups of workers. Workers also realized their importance and they formed the pressure groups or unions to deal with the management. Trade unions are not limited to the low scale workers. They are formed at each level, whether it is low scale or the high skilled workers. The head of the union is known as General Secretary and it is elected post, and all the members of the union, they elect General Secretary. And under the General Secretary, the two posts like Finance Secretary, who take care of the financial matters, and the Information Secretary or the Propaganda Secretary, who coordinate between the members and the organizations. Members are employees. In some cases, for each employee it is compulsory to have the membership of the union, and this is known as closed shop concept. But there are certain cases where open shop concept is also applied. Open shop means that employees can join a union or remain away from these groups. Trade unions, when they negotiate with the management, we call it collective bargaining. The major dispute which trade union is involved with is the wage increase according to the inflation rate. Sometimes their dispute is on the improvement of working conditions like the timings, the place of work, health and safety. They also ask for some facilities like transportations, children education and housing. They also ask for the promotions, and they also put the pressures when the organizations they are laying off the employees. Now, in case of failure of the negotiations, then the trade unions, they go for the industrial action. Industrial action means they put the pressures on the management and compel them to come to the table and negotiate with them. They go for the strikes, and strike can be token strike or full-fledged strike. The picketing means they are persuading the other employees to stop the production. Then work to rule mean everybody start following each and every procedure which to reduce the speed of the operations. And then go slow mean they're delaying tactics and do not finish the work on time. So there are different ways whatsoever is suitable according to the situation. They go for these industrial actions. For example, if you see in this picture, it shows that on the banners that we need re-election, not rotten deals. So trade union, they are the group of workers who join hands to protect their rights and asserts pressure on the owners and management to increase their benefits. So that's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.